Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make easy fudge at home. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 3 cups of your favorite chocolate chips, 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, and 2 tablespoons of butter. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to really bring out that delicious flavor. These few items are all it takes to create a wonderfully rich and creamy treat. Now let's get cooking. In a medium saucepan over low heat, combine your chocolate chips and butter. Stir constantly until they are completely melted and smooth. Next, pour in the sweetened condensed milk, mixing well until everything is thoroughly combined. Once it's smooth and glossy, remove the pan from the heat and stir in the vanilla extract. This step is quick and crucial for that perfect texture. Once your fudge mixture is ready, quickly pour it into an 8x8-inch pan lined with parchment paper. Use a spatula to spread the mixture evenly, ensuring a consistent thickness. Now comes the hardest part, patience. Place the pan in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours or until the fudge is firm. Once chilled, lift it out, peel off the paper, and cut it into delicious 1-inch squares. Enjoy your homemade treat. Want to customize your fudge? Try adding half a cup of chopped nuts or dried fruit to the mixture before chilling for extra crunch. For a peanut butter swirl, melt 2 tablespoons of peanut butter and drizzle it over the fudge before refrigerating. Remember to store your finished fudge in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 1 week, or in the fridge for longer. Have fun experimenting with different chocolate types too.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.